Today's topics trigonometry. This will be useful polytechnic and ICET and competitive exams also. Trigonometry. Tri means there is a three. Introduction. Relation between three sides and three angles in a right angle triangle. That is called trigonometry. First introduced by trigonometry. First introduced by Hipparchus. First introduced by trigonometry, Hipparchus. Tri means here three. Tri means three. Metry means mensuration. Metric means mensuration. Always here trigonometry by using right angle triangle. First draw the right angle triangle ABC. Here this is the right angle at B. Here for example here opposite. We take here theta means here opposite. Means here opposite side. Here adjacent side. Any given triangle, what is the longest side is called AC is called, that is the hypotenuse. What is the meaning here? Is hypotenuse means longest side in a triangle is called hypotenuse. Opposite, theta opposite means that is means opposite side, and remaining side that is the adjacent side. Here trigonometric ratios are side reading. By using in right angle triangle, here sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by sin theta equal to opposite BC by AC. That equal to BC by AC. Next one cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Here AB by AC. Adjacent here AB and hypotenuse here AC. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Here opposite BC by adjacent here AB. Next one cot theta equal to adjacent by opposite. Here adjacent AB by opposite here BC. Next one secant theta equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Here hypotenuse AC by adjacent here AB. Cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Here AC by BC. This is called trigonometric ratios. Okay, always by using in right angle triangle ABC. Theta opposite means that is the opposite side. Longest side is called hypotenuse. Remaining side that is the adjacent sides. Next trigonometric identity. Identity. First one here, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Next one, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Next, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This is 3 is called trigonometric identity. Next here note, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, once again repeat. Trigonometry means what is the meaning of relation between three sides and three angles in a right angle triangle. That is called trigonometry. First introduced by trigonometry, Hipparchus. Tri means three, metry means measurements or mensuration. Okay. Trigonometric ratios. Always by using in right angle triangle A, B, C. A right angle at B. Here theta means opposite side, longest side means that is the hypotenuse, remaining side that is the adjacent sides. First to take the trigonometric ratio, sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse, BC by AC from the diagram. Cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, AB by AC. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent, BC by AB. Cot theta equal to adjacent by opposite equal to AB by BC. Sec theta equal to hypotenuse by adjacent equal to AC by AB. Cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite here equal to AC by BC. Next one, trigonometric identity. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Here note, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Table values in trigonometry. First to take sin. Table values in trigonometry. First write the your trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, cos theta. Here tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Next one here secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. First draw the table, your understanding easy. Here 0 degree angle and ratio, trigonometric ratio. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. First write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First write the here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that divided by 4. All here divided by 4. After that just you applying 0 square root. All here square roots. What is the 0 by 4 equal to 0. 1 root 1 equal to here 1 by 2. Root 4 equal to 2. Here 2 1s are 2 2s are. Here 1 by root 2. Here root 3 by 2. Root 4 equal to 2. 4 by 4 here 1. 1 means here 1. Okay, what is the value of sin 0 equal to 0. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 90 1. Just here cos theta means just write the here reverse. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. After that tan theta equal here sin theta by cos theta. Here sin theta 0, 0 by 1 equal to 0. 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 equal to 2 is the cancel, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Here root 2 root is the cancel 1. Here root 3 by 1 root 3. 1 by 0 infinity or undefined. Here cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, just here reciprocal. Infinity root 3 1 1 by root 3 0. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, 1 by 1 equal to 1, just reciprocal. 2 by root 3 root 2 2 1 by 0 undefined, just interchanging here. Infinity 2 root 2 2 by root 3 1. This is a trigonometric angles only between 0 to 90 degree. Trigonometric ratios, all trigonometric ratios here, sin and cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Understanding here? Here just remember note tan theta equal to cot theta, then theta equal to 45 degree. Same similarly sin theta equal to cos theta, then theta equal to 45 degree. Cosec theta equal to sec theta. Same similarly here also, then theta equal to 45 degree. Okay, understanding everybody? First just write the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, after that divided by 4, after that applying the square root, that is the simplification, you got it, this analysis. Sin 0 equal to 0, sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2, sin 90 equal to 1, remaining as it. Okay. Some problems now in basic information in trigonometric. First problem. Sin theta equal to 4 by 5. Then find cot theta and tan theta. Then find cot theta, tan theta. Solution here. Given sin theta equal to 4 by 5. First you take the, in this method, first write the, draw the right angle triangle ABC. Same here theta opposite, here right angle. Okay, here opposite. Actually, what is the form of sin theta equal to? Opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite, what is the value here? 4. What is the hypotenuse here? 5. From the figure, right angle triangle means what is the condition? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. By using this formula always in trigonometry, 90%. AC square here, what is the value? 5 square equal to AB square, you find out, plus BC square here 4 square. 5 square means 25 equal to AB square plus 4 square means 16. Just transfer to LHS. 25 minus 16 equal to AB square. 25 minus 16 equal to 9 equal to AB square. 3 square equal to AB square. Square root square cancel here. AB equal to 3. Here AB equal to 3. What is the find out here? Cot theta equal to adjacent by opposite. Here adjacent 3 by 4. That is the cot theta. Next one, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent 4 by 3. Okay, understanding this method? Next one, same similarly note here. Remaining also you find the, for example, cos theta equal to what is the adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent means here 3 by 5. Remaining trigonometry is sec theta equal to hypotenuse by adjacent 5 by adjacent here 3. Next one, cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite 5 by 4. This is the remaining trigonometric ratios. Second method. Find the value of cos 60 plus sin 60 by tan 45 plus cot 45. find the value of cos 60 plus sin 60 by tan 45 plus cot 45. Solution here. First write the value of cos 60. We know that cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Next one, tan 45 equal to 1. Cot 45 equal to 1. Find the value of here now. Cos 60 plus sin 60 by tan 45 plus cot 45 degree equal to cos 60 here 1 by 2 plus sin 60 root 3 by 2 by 1 plus 1 equal to what is the LCM here? 1 plus root 3 by 2 by 2. What is the meaning here? 1 plus root 3 by 2 to the 4. That is the answer. Next method. Sin theta equal to A by B. Then find the value of A cos theta plus B sin theta by A cos theta minus B sin theta. Sin theta equal to A by B. Then find the value of A cos theta plus B sin theta by A cos theta minus B sin theta. Solution. Sin theta equal to A by B. Okay, we know that here cos theta equal to cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus A by B whole square. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus A square by B square. Here cos square theta equal to B square minus A square by B square. What is the value here? Cos theta equal to B square minus A square by B. Okay, under root means here, under root here. B square means B. Here cos theta equal to under root of B square minus A square by B. Now A cos theta plus B sin theta by A cos theta minus B sin theta equal to A into cos theta equal here under root of B square minus A square by B plus B into sin theta equal to A by B by A into B square minus A square by B plus B into minus here B into A by B. Here B is a cancel. Remaining here A into under root of B square minus A square by B plus A by A into under root of B square minus A square by B minus A. Here what is the LCM? B. A into under root of B square minus A square plus AB by B. Same similarly A into under root of B square minus A square minus AB by B. Here BB is a cancel. Remaining value here A into under root of B square minus A square plus AB by A into under root of B square minus A square minus AB. This is the answer. Okay, understanding everybody? Practice questions. First one, practice questions. Cos theta equal to 4 by 5. Then find tan theta, cosec theta. Second one, tan theta equal to P by Q. Then find P into cos theta plus Q into sin theta by P into cos theta minus Q sin theta. Next, third one. Find the value of cos 30 plus sin 60 by cosec 45 plus sec 45. Okay, any doubts you ask me in my contact number 9492956214. Like and share and subscription your friends.